Hi, I'm Theresa Marie Rhyne, and I'm here to talk to you today about building a diverging color scheme with Very Peri, the Pantone 2022 Color of the Year. Very Peri is so new that you use Pantone Connect to find the color codes. And if you do, you'll find out the hex code is 6667AB. Now, once I found that hex code, I built a Very Peri monochromatic color scheme. And in that process, I discovered Very Peri is a tone. It is a blue purple hue with some gray added to it. Well, now I've got my monochromatic color scheme. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a Very Peri sequence. I'm going to go from light to dark. And I'm going to apply that Very Peri sequence to an area chart for visualization. I wrote about this in a January 22 Nightingale writing called Very Peri Pantone 2022 for your visualizations. Now, what I want to do is make a Very Peri divergence color scheme. Now, what that is, it's two color schemes in sequential progression added together and separated by a light color. So I need a second color to pair with Very Peri. One of the easiest things to do is try to find the Very Peri complement that's diagrammed on the color wheel. So it's going to be something like a lime green. I go out and I look at Pantone Connect, and Pantone Connect tells me sweet pea, but I don't like sweet pea. So I decide to use a greener color because it doesn't matter what color I choose. And so I use Shamrock. Then I have to build a Shamrock sequence. And sure enough, I go out and I do discover Shamrock is also a tone. And then I combine my Very Peri, my Shamrock, with white in the middle, and I have Very Peri divergence. I reduce it down to 4 colors because I'm going to apply it to another area chart visualization example. And here it is, Very Peri divergence applied to an area chart example. But does it pass color deficiency? So I go out and I use the color blindness simulator, and I find that if you have protanopia, a red cone deficiency, deuteranopia, a green cone deficiency, or tritanopia, a blue cone deficiency, that you'll see 4 different colors. You won't see Very Peri and Shamrock combinations, but you'll see 4 different colors, so the visualization will work, and I was very fortunate. So here I have it, my Very Peri divergence with Shamrock color scheme, that I can save it for future work. So if you want to know some more about my color ventures in data visualization, I've written a number of Nightingale articles, and you can look them up. I want to thank a lot of people at the Data Visualization Society that have helped me learn so very much, specifically Georges Hattab and Maria Vilas, who've been thoughtful editors for my Nightingale writings. But I have one last thing I want to tell you, and that is I'm waiting for my Very Peri sneakers. They're in transit, and I can't wait to wear them. I hope you have a good time at the Outlier conference, and I enjoyed talking with you today.